funny face.
Get down.
Oh.
Good morning.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
This is all about you, isn't it? That has you written all over it. Naughty.
Go. Hey, more passion. More passion. More passion.
Sit.
Gary!
This. Oh, poor Tuxedo.
Small dogs never realize they're the smaller dog.
Oh, Tuxedo, poor baby.
If there's a higher place, that's where they're...
He's gonna drown himself.
Yeah, you want pets?
Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh! Okay.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
Livy and Georgie always together, no matter what they're doing.
No snack.
Not mad. Snack.
I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay?
Not mad.
No mad.
What are you doing?
Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass.
Oh, you're gonna fall. Ah!
That was the point where we began to become...
What?
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Hey!
kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Couldn't find my dog's leash and I have to walk her before work. So I'm walking her with a hot glue stick. Like, look at that.
Not to let your cat pet you.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Why be afraid of someone bigger when there's such an ideal and safe nap spot?
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep... Who did...
Did you just do that by himself?
Yeah.
Two cookies, and I don't have any.
You're dead. Roll over. Good girl, Stormy. Come here. Stand. Big. Big. Big.
Ow.
If something goes wrong, it gets personal real fast.
Are you happy, Kermit?
Chucky.
Just happened.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Hi, Roland. Hi, Roland. Hi, Rolly. Do you want...
Bless you, 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 bless you.
Oh, hello.
Skeeter.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Mango. Perdón.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
I told you it was a little kitty.
I
thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep... ¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Suave guapo.
Jealous orange cat moment.
Can you stop looking at her like that? She's just laying here purring. Mac, I'm serious.
Wow.
No, you jumped.
Oh, hi. What are you doing?
Fine.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
This.
No! No! Eh!
Getting over that fear.
Cierra la puerta ahora. Close the door.
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. It's good.
Yeah!
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Norma, I don't think you're supposed to have that.
Hey! Stop!
¿Quién fue el primer presidente de... Señor, no hay necesidad de que se ponga...
Neo.
Wait, do the thing. Oh my god.
Yeah, this dog definitely needs a new toy.
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust.
Like a bigger end and a smaller end. Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Oh, Kermit.
What are you doing?
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
Whoa! Next! Please.
All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
Come on, baby. You got it. You got it. Come on. Big boy. Big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on.
She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Happy one.
You're what?
Ryan.
This dog clearly has unfinished business with trees. With huskies, you're just trying to keep up.
As fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck.
Koalas don't usually drink much water, so on really hot days, they'll sometimes look for help from
here. How about here? There? Okay.
Hi, buddy. Tucker, place.
Look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn, smile.
And they did it?
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Beefing with my chick while I'm
You are a fox. Funny.
Dave, está chingando mi.
Say hi. Hi. Hi, Daddy. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop.
What? What is going on? She's trying. Oh my word.
Babies. Bless you, 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 bless you.
What are you doing?
I'm just sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
Sharky. Damn it! Come on, tree. We're coming in.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a step.
What? What is going on?
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
If it weren't for the door, how scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this. Buddy's teasing Bestie on the leash disguised as companionship, but hard to prove it.
Can you read this? Oh my! What are you doing?
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Hang on. Oh gosh. Oh, hello.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
Kermit, this way. He's...
These two besties always see the world with curiosity and got unlimited games to play together.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep...
This furball's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you. Looks like someone is...
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Și să nu-i pliculesc cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită.
Ew!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Turn around. ¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Är det det?
I think you're a little too big, bud.